Hey everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to download and install WinRAR in Windows. So let's get started. First thing, just Google WinRAR and you will be getting the official link. Click it and here we are having the download WinRAR option. Select this and if you scroll down we are having download WinRAR. Click it again and the download will be getting started. It is just around 3 MB in size, so just be patient. So once the download is complete, just open it and this is going to be the default folder where WinRAR is going to get installed. If you want to change it, just click on browse and change it. If you are fine, just click on install. And these are going to be the associated extensions with which WinRAR can open. If you want to add a desktop shortcut, you can just check this and click on OK. And that's it. You can just click on done. And this particular file is a zip file and it's showing me the WinRAR icon for it. So if I right click, I'm getting the WinRAR options. So which means that WinRAR has been successfully installed. That's the video, guys. Do check the playlist of my channel. Done a lot of videos in programming and AI tools. Subscribe me. Thanks for watching.